great. I mean, the whole purchase experience and then the whole ownership experience. So it's
how cool is this for you guys to meet other owners and have this kind of community camaraderie? And
yeah, it's great.
I mean, how cool is this venue here at the Motor Enclave too?
It's fantastic.
Isn't this neat?
I'd like a garage. But,
right.
Yeah.
We'll put your name on the. Yeah, we got you.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. So where's your favorite spot? Where's Leo's spot here? Where besides the captain's chair?
Driver's seat.
Driver's seat. Yeah. That's it. Talk about the comfort because I finally got to sit in a few of these captain's chairs and I wanted to fall asleep. How do you stay awake? They're so comfortable.
Yeah, you do. I mean, but I'd like, you can see you turn them around, and it's just comfortable to sit in them, and the foam they use, everything is just great. I mean,
Where's that quality as far as the interior and the fabrics and the materials they use compared to some of the other, potential campers and RVs that you've had in the past?
Excellent.
Okay.
Yeah, we like it. So it's high quality. I mean, it's shocking how we picked it up, and there were really no issues.
That's awesome.
And so, I mean, there's some tech issues that we're working on, but in all the coach work and everything, nothing.
That's great. And you guys have had yours since when?
Since May.
Since May. Okay. And how many trips? How many states?
About 5,000 miles on it.
Okay.
So it goes back and forth between. Right now, we've done mostly southeast.
Okay.
So we haven't.
And you made the trek here from where did you come from to come down to Tampa Bay?
All the way from Titusville.
Okay. That's a long trip. A few hundred miles. 80. Not even. 80.
So,
well,
yeah, but it was worth it.
Sure.
And I look forward to doing it again. That's for sure.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys for your time. I'll let the guys get back to getting you back up to 100% here. So thank you so much.
It's amazing how they respond.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, Solomon, this is the second time out here they fixed something on there.
Sure.
Set it straight.
Well, it looks like Solomon. It looks like Solomon knows what he's doing. He's got his laptop. He's juiced up. He's dialing in. So Solomon, what exactly are you working on for this particular model?
Right now, what we're doing, we just verify. We are checking the firmware for the system to make sure it's updated. And right now, what we're trying to do is just connect the remote console to Victron to have full access to the system.
Okay, cool. Hence why Victron is here. So this is Mitchell from Victron. He is world famous, mostly known not just for powering up everybody across the world, but also for his amazing mustache. What is the cool part about you being able to come to Tampa Bay, to come to the very first Grech RV experience in this owners rally, and like, what is the cool part about you being able to come down here and meet with the owners?
Oh, well, it's very exciting to be here. I've been working with Grech for over a year now, and I think it's a real pleasure to get to meet the end users and see what they're doing and kind of get a better, deeper understanding of where we need to kind of make adjustments to improve the performance of our software and also just the access levels and things like this. So, it's been great. It's really lovely to see all these vehicles and get some fun going off-roading in them and whatnot. So, having a great time.
I think everybody's super excited for you guys to be here too, because everybody's sick and tired of the generators. They were tired of the propane. They were tired of all the loud noises, and I think just the streamlined technology now is just a whole different animal from what I'm hearing. From all of the owners here. How does that make you guys feel as a company with Victron, partnering with Grech RV?
It's fantastic. So, when you do the math, having a generator on board is a lot of extra cost, a lot of repair, the service. That's something you could put into a battery, and then you're going to get so much more usability out of that system without having to run the generator. But when you add a secondary alternator that can generate up to 6,000 watts, you've just overcome what the generator was capable of doing for the battery, and essentially extend the capacity of that system and capabilities. So as long as you're driving a little bit here and there, you're going to be putting a ton of energy back into the system and don't need a generator at that point.
So it kind of gives you your freedom back a little bit in a sense, because you're not so tied down to all of the former ways of doing things. You just have a little bit more freedom to kind of stay on the road and adventure more, versus you're having to deal with all of the stuff in the past that was kind of tying you down, refilling propane tanks, generators, gas, dealing with all of that just to you know, it's out with the old, in with the new.
If you camp in the national parks, there's no power.
Yeah, right.
So, and there's no water. And so, I mean, it makes it livable, especially with Florida. Have you ever been down to Everglades? Ever?
Just dodging alligators left and right.
No,
Yeah.
mosquitoes.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's closed up, and the air conditioner has to run, but you have
Sure.
no power. So,
Right.
the battery system just allows us to use that.
Well, I've been seeing, you know, Mitchell, you know, put a smile on all these owners' faces over here because, you know, he's keeping them powered up. So I'll let Mitchell continue to do what he's doing. So thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate you being here, and you guys have an absolute a blast of the rest of the next few days out here. So
It's a great facility.
it is, right? It is. High five.
I had the car drive.
Right?
Well, we do. We just don't have the garage.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you more in the next few days. So thank you. Mitchell?
Bye.
All right. Leo, thank you, buddy. All right. Take care.